Even with the crisis, Slovenians are preparing for the biggest Christian holiday, Easter. And it reflects also on the offer of the open market. Here you can find also interesting handmade crafts called butara.
For the Easter basket, of course, we need a very nice handmade willow twigs basket, originally from Slovenia, from Ribnica.
Slovenian potica. This traditional walnut roll is served at Easter or Christmas. It's made out of dough and walnut filling.
Dear friends from Slovenia, we all wish you happy Easter holiday.